Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the traversal on the binary tree. The In the previous lecture we had seen the binary tree. A binary tree is a finite collection of elements, or it can be said it is made up of node, where each node contains the left pointer, right pointer and the data element. That means the binary in the binary tree the node contains three parts: left pointer, right pointer and a data element. The root pointer points to the topmost node in the tree. When the binary tree is not empty, so it will have a root element, and the remaining elements are partitioned into two binary tree, which are called as the left pointer and the right pointer of the tree. Now traversing in the binary tree. The tree traversal is the operation or a technique. It is the process of visiting each node in the tree exactly once, is known as the tree traversal. Visiting each node in the graph should be done in a systematic manner. If search result in the visit to all the vertices, it is called as the traversal. There are basically three traversal techniques for the binary tree, that are pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. First we see what is the pre-order traversal technique. To traverse a binary tree in pre-order, following operation are carried out. Pre means first. First root will be processed. So visit the root will be first. Root is the starting node of the tree. Pre-order, that means visit the root first. Now traverse the left subtree of the root, second step, and third one is the traverse the right subtree of the root. The To traverse the binary tree in pre-order, the steps are: visit the root, traverse the left subtree and traverse the right subtree. Consider the following tree. Suppose this is the tree and here one is the root node of that tree, and this is the tree structure and there is the value. Now when we use the pre-order traversal technique on that tree, then first we traverse the root, that means 1. So write 1 here. Now go to the second step. Here 2. 2 is also the root of the 2 is the left side of the binary tree. So 2 will be right here because 2 is again the root of the 4 and 5. Now we go to the left hand side again. So here is the 4. 4 is the root of 7, then write here 4. Now here we go to next node, next level. Here 7 will be there and 7 is the root of the 9. So 7 right here. So 7 has no left subtree. So it will be go to the right hand side. So 9 will be written here. Now it will be backtrack here at near the 2 and 5 will be right here. So this left part is completed now. Now we go to the right side of that tree. So here 3 is right because 3 is the root of 6. So 3 is right here. Now 6. 6 is also the root of 8. Now we write the 6 here and 8 is the last node. We write the here. So it in this way the pre-order traversal technique will be operate. Pre-order. Pre means the root will be first. Always write the root will be first. In the pre-order traversal, we apply these three steps: visit the root node, traverse the left side of the tree and traverse the right side of the tree. Now next, second type of the traversal is a in order traversal technique. To traverse a binary tree in order traversal, following operations are carried out. In order, that means root is in the left and right subtree. So first step is traverse the leftmost subtree. Second step is visit the root and third one is the traverse the rightmost subtree. So visit the root is in the middle, so it is called as the in order traversal. So consider again the above example. This is the tree, and here 1 is the root node of the tree. So friend, in order traversal means first we process the left node, then we process the root node, and then we process the right node. Left, root, and right, like that way. So here 1 is the root node. Now we go to the next node, we go to the next node, and we go to the next node. Here 7 has no left node, so we directly write the root 7 here. Now we write the right hand part of this tree is 9. Now we go to the 4 has no any left subtree, so we write the 4 here. Now we go backtrack here, then we write the 2 and write down the 5 here. This is the and 1. So this left hand side will be completed. Now we go to the right hand side. Now here 3 will be right here, because 3 is at the right hand side. Now 6 will be written and 8 will be written. So it is the in order traversal technique. So in the in order traversal, root is processed in between the left and rightmost subtree. Now third part is the post order traversal. To traverse a binary tree in post order traversal, post means the root is processed after the left and right subtree. The following operations are carried out: traverse the left subtree of the root, traverse the right subtree of the root, and then visit the root node. This is the, again consider this tree, and we traverse this tree in post order traversal. So here we traverse the left subtree of the root, traverse the left subtree. Now here take this way. So here left hand side is not will be there, so we go to the right hand side. Here 9 will be written here, then 7 will be written, because 7 is the left part of the 4. Now 4 will be written, then 5 will be written, then 2 will be written, and then 3 will be written, will be written. Then here we go to the right hand side. 3 has the another right part, and 6 at the another right part. So we write the 8, then 6, then 3, and at last we proceed the root node, that is 1. This is the post order traversal of this tree. Now suppose consider the another example. Here this is the another tree. So if you not understand this example, then look at the another example. This is the binary search tree. Why it is called as the binary search tree? Because each node has two children. Each node has the two children. So we called as the binary tree, binary search tree, or in the shorthand we say that BST, binary search tree. Now let us write the traversal sequence of this binary search tree. So in the pre-order traversal, the pre means the root will be traversed first, then left and right subtree. So here 100 will be right here. Now left 20 will be right here, then 10, then 30, then 200, 150, and 300. So pre-order traversal of this tree is the like that: 100, 20, 10, 30, 200, 150, and 300. Now in order traversal. So in order traversal, look at this tree. So in order means the root is proceed in between left and right subtree. So we consider the when we traverse the tree in order traversal, then we take part a left hand side. Now here 10 will be right here. Now left, root, and right. So 10, 20, 30. Now here we write the 10, 20, 30. Now 100. Now here we go to the 200 part. Now 200 had again the left part: 200, 150, 200, and 300. 150, 200 and 300. So in order traversal of this above tree is the like that. Now next is the post order traversal. In the post order traversal we proceed the route in the last. First we proceed the left subtree, left, right and root. So look at the come to the left hand side. Here 10, 10, then left, right and root. 10, 30 and 20. Now here 150, 300 and 200 and at last 100, because this is the root of the tree. Now here 10, 30, 20, 150, 300, 200 and 100 is the root node. So friend, look here, when we proceed when we insert the element into the binary search tree, the left hand side contain the less number and right hand side contain the larger number from the root node. So suppose the root, here look at this tree, here 100 is the value of the root node. Now the 20 is less than 100, so we put 20 here, and 200 is less than greater than 100, so we write here in the right hand side like that way. So these are the traversal technique of the binary search tree. In the next lecture we are going to discuss again another example of the traversal in the binary search tree. Thank you friend.